At least 3 places I remember, the prophets are described as Imam Mahdi. And I am surprised why people have not taken notice of that. And the verses which I remember, one of the verses for instance I am going to quote. Before this verse, many prophets are counted. That so such and such prophet came, and then after him, and there were some who were named and some who were not named. And in the end, the Holy Quran says, وَجَعَلْنَاهُمْ أَئِمَّةً يَهْدُونَ بِأَمْرِنَا. These are the prophets whom we made, أَئِمَّةً, which is the plural of Imam. يَهْدُونَ بِأَمْرِنَا. They used to guide not from themselves but after taking orders from us, which is the guided one. So Mahdi is the equivalent of one who Yahdi bi-amrillah, somebody who receives his orders from Allah, who is not a Hadi directly from himself but speaks what he hears from his master. So that is exactly what is described in this verse. They were all Imam, plus they had the quality of not speaking from themselves, but they were Mahdi and not Hadi. Yahduna bi amrina. Now, at 3 places this verse is mentioned, and all the prophets are counted among the sphere of influence of this verse. Not a single non-prophet is mentioned. So that shows that each prophet is Imam Mahdi according to the Holy Quran.